Video started. Okay, good.
My battery's almost dead.
Full start for D-Farm. D-Farm wannabes.
Yeah, here you go first. Show us that key there, Andrew. Show us the key you're using.
It's a beautiful car. I like. See?
Don't turn on the
Here's
light.
the key.
You don't need the clutch on.
No?
As long as you got a gear.
Oh, almost. Radio's on. Yeah.
Quality.
Oh. Car ready doing its magic. Should we redline for a good time?
No.
No, we shouldn't because it kills us.
Give it the bit. Doesn't that not sound like $5,000?
No, it's gonna quit. Yep. Runs like a top.
Smoke back there.
Sweet. Alright, time to shut it off. Where's the key?
Start.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be harder.
Really? That's how you kill it.
Woo!
Yeah.
That's how you kill it.